deaerating feed water heater removes dissolved oxygen from the water and then reheats the water, serving as the second stage feed heater. This equipment consists of a deaerating chamber and a water storage tank. Condensate water is sprayed directly into the deaerating feed water heater through a nozzle attached to the upper part of the heater. The deaerating feed heater deaerates dissolved oxygen while heating the condensate water by using steam from the exhaust main pipe. Exhaust steam from the main feed water pump, driven by superheated steam, and second bleeder steam are collected in the exhaust main pipe and kept at a constant pressure. The steam serves as a heat source for the deaerating feed water heater. Deaerated heated condensate water and drain from the third stage feed heater are collected in the water storage tank of the deaerating feed water heater. The tank's level is automatically controlled within a prescribed range to regulate excess or shortage of water within the entire cycle. Water that has exited the storage tank is called feed water. It's sent by the main feed water pump via the third stage feed heater feed water control valve and economizer into the main boiler steam drum. The main feed water pump is a steam turbine-driven pump. Rotation of the pump is automatically controlled to keep the feed water pressure constant by a governor, even when the feed water flow changes. The third stage feed water heater heats highly pressurized feed water for supply to the boiler. When the ship is in port, desuperheated steam is used for heating, but when at sea, the first bleeder is used to increase thermal efficiency. The feed water control FWC valve controls the amount of feed water by detecting water level and steam flow to keep the steam drum water level constant. The economizer is one of the pieces of structural equipment of the boiler. It heats feed water by using combustion gas that came after heating the main bank. The steam cycle involves losses such as uncollected steam and drain, among others. Condenser and boiler water levels must be kept constant. Since such a loss appears as a drop in the deaerating feed water heater level, an appropriate amount of make-up feed water should be supplied as extra feed by detecting the drop. Provided for this purpose is the feed water make-up system from the distilled water tank. The feed water make-up valve opens as the deaerating feed water heater level drops, sending make-up feed water from the distilled water tank to the drain collecting tank. This raises the drain collecting tank level. This in turn opens the level control valve, sending the make-up feed water to the deaerating feed water heater. Depending on plant condition, the water storage tank level of the deaerating feed water heater may also rise. In such an event, the condensate water spill valve opens to allow some of the condensate water that has come out of the gland condenser to escape into the distilled water tank.